The Philippine Council for Industry, Energy and Emerging Technology Research and Development, or PCIEERD, of the Department of Science and Technology, or DOST, is pushing for the use of blockchain technology when processing school documents. The agency states this move is in line with President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.'s directive of digitalizing government processes and services. DigiCert has funding that will benefit 16 school campuses like the Philippine Science High School, or PCHS. With the use of DigiCert, one only needs to go to the website of PCHS and sign up to be able to request for the needed school document.
It will definitely ease the burden ng pagpunta sa school, or parang yung parent nila papupuntahin pa sa school para lang mag-request, file ang request. And moreover, yung physical need for storage, di ba? Kasi lalo na ngayon, ang mandate din ng National Archives of the Philippines is, or they enjoy the government agencies to digitize. Yung physical demand, so malilesen, as well as yung pag-backup din ng soft copy mas madali.